Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. It's Kea here. If you're new, if you're not new, then hey sis, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing another affordable sneaker plug unboxing. They are the Yeezy slides in the dessan colorway. Slides are so comfy and literally so easy to style. So if you'd like to see a detailed unboxing, on foot look, as well as styling tips, then definitely keep watching this video.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it.
So first of all, thank you so much to tonyshoes for sending me these slides. All of tonyshoes information will be listed in the description box, as well as discount code on the screen. They are having a Black Friday sale, 20% off one order and 25% off for 2 pairs of shoes. So definitely go check out tonyshoes. They don't only have Yeezys, they have all types of stuff. So here is the box. These are my second pair of Yeezy slides, and these are definitely my favorites. I haven't worn them out yet because I want to save them for like a vacation. On the outside of the box, it just says slide. On the side of the box, it just says Yeezy slide made by Adidas, and then all the shoe information. I got mine in a size 8. This pair fits me perfectly. There's still a little bit of room. I definitely do recommend to size up for any pair of Yeezys. They run small. I do have another pair of Yeezy slides, but they are in a size 7 or 7.5. And they are literally like right there on my heel. I just rather have room when I'm walking. So like any other pair of Yeezys, the box is just super simplistic. Then on the front it says Yeezy slide made by Adidas again. If you guys see this is food coloring on my hand. Inside you have the slide. These ones came with foam on the inside. So here's what the sides look like fresh out of the box. I have not worn these yet. So they have this like ribbed bottom, the Adidas symbol. I wear my other pair of Yeezy slides a lot when I'm like going to school or going to work really quickly and I just want to throw something on. I definitely love to just throw on a pair of Yeezy slides. These will come in handy for not only just looks, but actually running errands and just everyday things. So Yeezy slides are definitely a good pair of shoes to have in your closet for that, because you can really wear these with a lot, especially if you have different colors. You can get away with wearing Yeezy slides a lot and they're so comfortable. For the color, how do you describe this color? A nude, has like a green kind of undertone, very earthy. For shipping, the shoes took, I want to say, about 3.5 weeks to come to me. However, the customer service was really good, so I really appreciate tonyshoes. Thank you guys so much for working with me once again. So right now is the perfect time for you to go and grab a pair of Yeezy slides from tonyshoes for the lows, once again using their Black Friday discount code, which I will leave on the screen and in the description box. Next, I'm going to show you guys the shoes on my feet, as well as 1 or 2 outfits on how I would style these Yeezy slides. I'm going to show you guys some outfit inspo because I know I didn't show you guys any for my other Yeezy slides. So let's get into that part of the video. I'm sorry if the camera changed, just a little quick insert. I forgot to mention that the shoes did come with a StockX verified chip. And then for the inside of the shoes, it has like a little sticker on it that says Adidas Yeezy, if you guys could tell. And then I didn't realize until right now, but it also has an imprint on the inside that says Yeezy made in China 8 US. I didn't even notice before. Now let's really get into the next part of the video. Like everything about this outfit is just very chill, very everyday, very practical for me, because like this is definitely something I would wear to school, except I would definitely have a sweater on. I'll wear a brown sweater with this, or my gray cropped hoodie. It's dirty right now, so just imagine that I have it on, but this is very practical, even with the headband blade on this little cami. This is from Bright Gal. And then I have on these sweats. These are from Shein. I have on some socks, my Yeezy slides, and more than likely since this is an everyday fit that I would wear to school, I would definitely have a tote with me. Dang, I have some totes coming in from Shein that I know would be perfect for this outfit, but unfortunately it's not here, so. And yeah, real simple and obvious, easy to style outfit, but still looks very cute and like you tried, even though you threw on some jogging pants and a cami. So yeah, this is the first outfit. Definitely would put on a jacket. I could not wear this outside by itself. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys that is the best part. And let's get on to outfit number 2. This outfit, so obvious for my style, for real. There's a few things that, like hoodie, I would not wear this hoodie specifically. I'm just putting this on for you guys to get the idea. I have a plain black hoodie on the way in the mail right now, but it's not here, so just imagine that it's a plain black zip-up hoodie with black hardware, okay? And then I have on these cargos, which are kind of wrinkly, don't mind. And then obviously the Yeezy slides, very much me, like cargo pants, some slides, comfy shoes, a sweater, and then underneath I'm just wearing this crop top. This is from Shein. Cargos are from Garage, and then Yeezy slides from tonyshoes. So alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and also go check out tonyshoes. Make sure you secure your Yeezy slides for an affordable price. Don't mind my little Caesars. Using this Black Friday sale. I will leave all their information in the description box. If you guys have any questions, then feel free to DM me on Instagram, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Put that in the top.